Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up, limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Uwei somlaban rilum khasi jantiau balai thu kertengkum uram kru bormi shermang katkum ka bapau haka Instagram account ke jungu lala ban sakhi ya ka jingle yasimenta jungu haka jinki hanong ba Delhi kabalakhot da ka cockroach janata party uniu somla ulapen sngo ya ka jinsimenta ka jungu haka arphotarik noitung arja phunrio haka Instagram ka bakerteng ram jantia ulakren da ka khasi
ka jinki kabam taksmi kabala isar ke dok kata-kata kam syam lakut kembab yai dang bon kinong yakhi ang ne jantar mantar tes kawai kwa ban tip pi ba kimpat ayu kimpat yolat ban le stesa parlimen taksmi namar nang kalian ke bor jong ka sarkar ke bor ki pulit kimpat ailat ba kinong yakhi kinwan tur lane man rung sa parlimen nak kata kadang kajing ki ang ni ha jantar mantar kadang yai peteng tengin sa pen pi mo nak por kat badang kat bang inang la namar ngiru gidai tangkum uwena perdi jong pi ki pat ba ngim syam la dai ki news media la ne ki mo te tangkum tahi kudai sibon ngan sa pen pi na da don kan ai kajing update sungan sa pen pi tadai ba ngiyo ai ka support la ne ngiyo ai kajing jubab na kalyang sarkar ngan sa pen kat bang ala mo apa ini?
Lasakiru bahaka arpoetrik noitung arja phunrio kata ne kasngiru uladan mentah hakate kecingki bot layo ru penkren bat kilat pathai kubor hakaba ulah penrem ya kejingle kipulen ka Delhi kata ban syo ban bom yakinong yakhi
कानून के कौन से किताब में लिखा है कि बिना यूनिफॉर्म के आप स्पोर्ट्स जूत में आप शूज में कुछ ड्रेस नहीं यूनिफॉर्म नहीं आतंकवादी
लाठी लेके खड़ा बिना यूनिफॉर्म डंडा चला रहा है
संविधान में लिखा है ना पुलिस भाई एक काम करो सब लोग ना मेल करो सीबीआई को आर्टिकल 32
the police in Delhi is very rude towards students. Why they are beating students? They are the future of our country. If you don't respect your future, then what do you deserve in your future? What I will say is that, listen. What I will say is that the future of the country is in the hand of the student, and you are beating the student like your enemy. Why are you beating your student like your enemy? You should beat Pakistan like your enemy. Why you should beat your own student from your own country? That is my question to the government. What do they want from the student? What do they want? They want us to die, or what do they want? We have no answer from them. And Sonam Wangchu, he has been protesting, has been hunger strike for many days, but our Prime Minister not even a single tweet for this for this movement. Why? That is the question from my side and from my people. We want to know why, and why the police in Delhi is very rude towards students. We are protesting here peacefully. The government should be happy because we are protesting peacefully. We are not fighting like Nepal. We are not fighting like Bangladesh. We do it with respect. We do it with respect. But they treat us like their enemy. Why? That is my question. Please answer me my question. Ask the government to answer my question. Why they treat us like their enemy? We are not their enemy. We are their people. We are their jantas. We are the one who will vote them if they treat us good. So what is this?
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya